What we're looking at here is a very well-planned and executed rotation of the cattle. What they've done here is taken down a single-strand polywire that was separating the previously grazed pasture from the ungrazed pasture, and they moved themselves into the fresh paddock.
We're on a 30-day cycle. The pastures will regenerate, and I can graze them again every 30 days.
So it's just a matter of making a continuous transition from grazed to ungrazed. Nature has this incredible ability that when subjected to disruption, it actually regenerates itself a degree or two higher than where it was before. And I've become firmly convinced that that is what nature has been doing for thousands of years, and that is exactly what we need to recreate with our livestock. We want to make darn sure that in our pastures we have that 3 classification of forage species represented. That creates that salad bar. They can graze high, they can graze intermediate, they can graze low, and they can graze grasses, they can graze legumes, and they can graze forbs. They have the opportunity here versus a monoculture to every single day balance their own diets. And they're much smarter than we think. Given the opportunity to balance their diet, they will absolutely do that.